Welcome back, guys, to Living Life with Us. Today. Y'all already know we back with another dope video. You hear them bars though?
I heard it.
You heard it? It was on point, it was on beat and all that. And I was saying, yeah.
Yep.
Today is Vlogmas Day 21. Look, I got it right.
Got it right.
Bam. Vlogmas Day 21. And today we are going to switch it up a little bit. Usually we do like our annual cake showdown, but this time we are gonna do a cupcake cake. Pull apart cake, you know, they call it that too. In case you're probably like, what is a cupcake cake? Basically, you bake cupcakes and you form it in a cake. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see Christmas edition. We're not going against each other.
Yeah,
Instead, we're uniting. So we are not enemies. We are together.
Well,
y'all already know. So, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Welcome to the Living Life family. We welcome you all with open arms. All our A1 Day ones, y'all know it ain't nothing but love. So, I gotta tell them.
yeah, I do.
You know what you gotta do. You gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Duh. Hit that notification bell. So on every time the Living Life family drop a dope video and you don't want to miss it, because now that sis is back up with the energy, as y'all can see. We bringing it back. And you know what we gonna do for the new year coming in? For all our new ones, you know what I'm saying, that didn't know us a couple years ago and all that, Bring back the spice. All them hot challenges we was doing, we was there with it. We gonna bring it back.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop fucking lying.
Like I said, we got a lot in store. We're trying to start doing some pranks, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. But we're trying to add more stuff in here for y'all. You know, like I said, I know. We keep telling y'all we're gonna post more this and that, but yo, life, we never know what's gonna happen on an everyday basis, right? We could try to plan life out as much as we can. But today could be perfectly fine. Tomorrow you could have a crappy day. Right? So you never know. But like I said, we are trying our hardest to be way more consistent with you guys. If y'all haven't already, follow us on our TikTok at the Living Life Family. If you haven't already, if you like to listen to podcasts, follow us on our podcast. On His Word Podcast. How can they find that?
Bigger.com.
You already know. And we're on the road to 5K, so hit that subscribe button.
Yeah,
with that, I'ma shut up. Let's get down to this cupcake cake. So the cupcakes have now cooled off, and now I'm going to lay them out in the foundation of a tree. So stay tuned so y'all can see exactly how we do this. Now remember, this is my first time doing it, so bear with me, y'all. I'm gonna try my best to hook it up. Alright y'all, so the cupcake cake is now officially done. And when I tell y'all, I must say I give myself a pat on the shoulder because this came out way better than I anticipated. Mind you, like I told you guys, this was our first time doing this, so it's not perfect. You know, like the red and, and the white is supposed to be the garland, but you know what? What Christmas tree really is that perfect, you know, when you adding garland to it? But I just think it's so cute and it looks so animated, like almost like a Grinch type of thing. You think so, babe? I think so. So like I said, y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this video, say about 30 likes. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if y'all rocking with about 30 likes. And like I said, we're on the road to 5K. Check out our podcast. Check out our TikTok. And like I said, we're going to see y'all in the next dope video because guess what? Christmas is approaching like in 3 days. And we are so ready. So we trying to get any last minute videos out to you guys as soon as possible. We're gonna see y'all in the next dope video. Y'all have a safe and blessed week. Y'all already know it's the Living Life family.